The camp-safe perimeter alarm system was designed solely to buy you more time to react to the situation. Let's set up the device. To begin, there's 3 methods of mounting using nails, screws, or zip ties. We like to use the holes that we design for the nails and screws. Zip ties go around the grooves in the device. Now that it's firmly attached, we're pulling up the firing pin and setting the trigger pin to the device, setting up our trip line across, firmly attached to another tree or an object. With our Dyneema trip line firmly in place, we're ready to load our 12-gauge blanks. With our device under spring tension, when the animal trips the wire, it detonates the blank. Along with our 12-gauge device, we have 3 different adapters that we've designed, the 209, 308, and the 22 cal. Going through them one by one, starting with the 209, you simply put the primer inside the adapter, sliding it into the 12-gauge, and you're ready. Now using the 308 adapter, installing the 308 blank, tightening down both screws equally, sliding it into the 12-gauge device, and the detents holding it in place. Going right into the 22 cal adapter, loading the power load directly into the unit, sliding into the 12-gauge, detents holding it into place. After the load is spent, you're using the ejection pin, you slide it through the hole, and she slides right out.